Hello my lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making this cut. Yes, we are starting from pattern drafting, cutting, to the sewing, to the modeling. Is it modeling? Is it dancing? Yes. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and in case you subscribe, please hit that notification bell so that when I put up a new video you'll be notified. So we shall begin with pattern drafting. Our paper is on fold. We are going to mark the hip line, then we shall mark the knee line. Yes, and we are going to come and mark the nipple to nipple measurement. That's where we shall put our dart, and then we are going to mark our waist, divide by 4 plus 1 inch sewing allowance plus 1 inch for dart. So we are going to indicate those lines, the hip line, then our knee line, the rest is the skirt length. So we are going to come on our hip line and mark our hip measurement plus 1 inch. That 1 inch will cater for the sewing allowance. On our knee line we shall use the same measurement as we used for the hip. Yeah, and we shall connect those points. My dear, if you have not yet subscribed, hit that notification bell. Yes, you'll be notified when I put up any video, and in case you're requesting any video, you can tell me, I can make it for you when I get the time. Yeah, so we are going to measure our dart. I told you we put the dart on the nipple to nipple measurement. Yes, so my dart will be 5 inches or 5.5, whatever you want, use that. So you can use 4, 5, 5.5. Our dart will be 1 inch wide. So we are going to connect it to that point as that. So we shall cut out our pattern. I decided that this cut should be short. I decided to leave it at the knee line. Yes, so I also cut out my dart. So I'm going to cut out on my fabric. Yes, don't be confused, I just changed the side. So this, we are going to cut our back part first. Yes, so we are using the same pattern to cut our back and our front. I'll just modify it a bit to cut the front. So we cut our back pattern like that. So I also cut the back on fold. Note that I did not just join it by seams, I cut it on fold, then I notched where I want my dart to pass. So that's our back. So I'm going to use this same pattern and make the front part. So I told you it was on fold, so I just unfolded it. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the nipple to nipple measurement down and connect that line to make a straight line like that. Then cut it all the way through to the dart. Then get another fabric, which is going to be our front part, to cut your front parts. You arrange your pattern as you've seen me arranging mine. Yes, observe how I arrange mine is the same way you arrange your pattern. So I'm just pinning it down so that when I'm cutting it does not move. So we are going to measure some extra inches. I used 12, but I found out it was short. So if you want something longer for your thigh not to show, you must measure something longer. Yeah, you measure at least where from your you measure the measurement from your waist, where you tie your skirt from, to where you want that I don't know how I call it. Is it a flare? Yes, where it stops is where is the inches you use, because I used 12 but I realized 12 was very small. That's why my thigh is showing on one side. So if you want it longer, that piece that flays around, if you want it longer, then you must make something long. When you're putting inches, put something extra, put more. Yeah, so you can use 20, 30 according to your height. Yes, so you can measure as well. You can put the measuring tape in your waist and measure from your waist to the maybe to the knee, and use that measurement to measure there. So after taking that measurement, I'm going to go on one side of my pattern where the pattern stops and connect to that point. Curve in a little bit, don't make it straight. Curve in a little bit as you've seen me doing. Yes, like that. Then connect also to the other point. After, you can cut your fabric like that. Yes, you're also going to cut the other side. So you come in the middle point and cut. Yes, don't break it. Cut up to there where that pattern paper stops, and you're done with cutting the front part. You see what I told you? If you make less inches, that front part will be short. So this is how we arrange our skirt. That is the back pattern. Remember to put your dots in your skirt. Remember to sew your dots, don't forget them. That's why I cut them out. So that's how our skirt came out. That is the result. Thank you for watching, my dear. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And in case you subscribe but you've not hit the notification bell, hit that notification bell. I love you so much, and God loves you. Bye bye.